Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Brian and today we'll model this flange coupling in SolidWorks. And here is the drawing. And first we'll model this part in SolidWorks and then we'll compare this part with this drawing using evaluate command. So let's go to a SolidWorks and let's go to a new, select part and select OK. Remember, I'm using SolidWorks 2020 and I will provide its link in the description so you can download it from there. So first I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to MMGS. Okay, so let's go to your top plane and I will sketch this base part, this part in the top plane, and the diameter is 98 and the extrusion is 15. You can see here. So let's close this part and okay. So let's go to your top plane. I'll go to your sketch and I will make a circle here having diameter 98. So I will change it to 98 millimeters and I'll go to your features, boss extrude, and I will extrude it to 15 mm and select OK. Next is you can see here the pitch circle dia, that is PCD, is 70 and it is of construction. Okay, this circle would not be part of our final geometry, and we have 6 number of holes having diameter of 10. So let's go to your SolidWorks, select this face, sketch, view normal, and first I will sketch PCD, that is pitch circle dia, and that is 70. So I will change it to 70 and it is not solid, it will be construction. So I'll change it to construction geometry. And now I will go to a circle again and this time I will make a circle having diameter 10. Okay, and we need 6 number of patterns. You can see here 6 number of patterns and 10 mm. So let's go to a SolidWorks and this time I'll go to a circular sketch pattern. Okay, so the command to be patterned is this circle and we need not 4 number of instances but we need 6 number of instances. So I will increase the number of count to 6 and select OK. I'll go to features and cut extrude and I will cut extrude it through all and select OK. So these 2 commands are done, and next is I will extrude this one, and the outer dia is 50, that is this one, and the inner dia is 26. Let's go to a SolidWorks. This time I will sketch on this face, select sketch, view normal, and I'll go to a circle command and I will sketch a circle here, 2 circles here. The outer diameter is 50 and the inner diameter is 26. Now I'll go to this drawing again and the extrusion would be up to here. Okay, up to here. So I'm starting extrusion from this plane. So this would be 90 minus 15 and minus 15. So it would be 60. So let's go to your SolidWorks again and I will just rotate my model. I'll go to your features, Extruded Boss, and this time I will extrude it to 60 mm. Okay. So now the overall length is 75. I can check it. I'll go to your evaluate command, measure, select this one, select this one, and sorry, just clear these selections. I will select this one and this one. Now you can see that the overall height or length is 75. You can see here the overall length is 90. I have to make this part, so it would be 90 minus 15, that is 75. So that is correct. Now I will extrude this portion and first I will make a construction line and this pitch is 100. Then I will make these 2 circles having a diameter of 12 and then I will make these circles. So let's cancel this and let's rotate our model, and this time I will sketch on this face, select sketch, view normal, and I will make a construction line here. So I'll go to here midpoint line. I will make a midpoint line, and I will convert this midpoint line to construction line, because this line would not be part of our final geometry. So select this one for construction, and the length of this line is 100 mm. So I'll change this to 100, and we have two circles on the edge of this line, and each circle dia is 12. So I'll go to a circle, and I will make one circle here and one circle here. I will select this circle, hold shift, I will select this circle, and I will give them a relation called equal. Now I'll go to a smart dimension, and I will change this dimension to 12. Okay. Next is you can see that we have an arc here, and this radius is 15. So this radius would also be 15 because this part is symmetric. And this time on this side we have radius 30. So basically we will make these arcs using circle, and then we will delete the unnecessary portion. So here we have a circle having diameter of 30, because diameter is twice of the circle. So this would be 30, this would be 30, and this would be 60. I'll go to a Solidworks, and I'll go to a circle command, and I will snap the center point. I will make one circle here, I will make one circle here, and I will make one bigger circle here. Okay, up to maybe here. Okay, let's dimension these. So the bigger one is 60. I'll change its dimension to 60, and the smaller one is 30. And I will select this one, hold shift, I will select this one, and I will make them equal. I will give them a relation called equal, and select OK. Now you can see that these are tangent. So I will make one line, and I will make one relation called tangent. So I'll go to a line command, and I will make one line joining this circle to this one, and I'll select this line, hold shift, I will select this circle, and I will choose this option, make tangent. Okay. Similarly, this line, hold shift, this circle, and tangent. Now I can use mirror command to mirror this one, or manually I can create this line 4 times. So I think better to have a mirror entity. I will make one center line here so that I can mirror in this side as well. So I'll go to here mirror entities, and I will select this line and mirror about this one, and select OK. Similarly, I will select these two lines, hold shift, and mirror entities, and mirror about this time this line, and select OK. So now you can see that we have created this contour. So here you can see that we have a circle here, and this diameter is 35. So I'll go to a Solidworks, and I will make a circle here having diameter 35. So I'll make one circle here. I'll go to a smart dimension, and I will change its dimension to 35 mm. Okay. So we are done with this contour, and now we have to trim the unnecessary portion. So I'll go to the trim entities. First I will trim this one, I will trim this one, and I will trim these as well. So our contour is generated, and we have to extrude this contour up to 15 mm. You can see here. I'll go to the Solidworks, and I'll go to the features, Extruded Boss, and I will extrude it to 15 mm and select OK. So we are almost done with this modeling. I'll go to my drawing, and here you can see that we have a cut extrusion 30 mm. So this depth is 30. I'll go to my model, and you can see that it is not 30. I can check this. I'll go to evaluate, measure. I will check this face and this face, and now you can see that it is 15, not 30, and it is showing here 30. So I have to make a cut extrusion, and I'll go to here sketch, select this circle, convert entities, go to your features, extruded cut, and I will change this to 30 and select OK. And now you can see that this is 30. So this one and this drawing would be same. Now we'll check our model that we have just created. It is according to our drawing or not. So let's go to here, evaluate, and I will use this option section, and I will change this plane and select OK. So this the overall height or overall length of this flange coupling is 90. So I'll go to SolidWorks and I'll measure this. So here you can see that this distance is 90. Okay. Now let's say I have to check this pitch. So let's go to this measure, select this one, and now you can see that this pitch is 100, and you can see here this pitch is 100. Also, let's say I want to check the width of this base. So it is 15. Let's go to your SolidWorks and let's clear these selections. Select this one, and you can see that this depth is 15. And also, let's say I want to check this diameter. This diameter would be I think 10 mm. I'll go to your measure, and now you can see that this diameter is 10. Also, let's say we can check this height. This height would be 30. This counter bore. Let's go to your measure and select this one and this face, and clear selections, this face and this face. Now you can see that this distance is 30. So that concludes this tutorial. And let's say I want to apply some appearance. I'll go to a metal, polished steel, and you can see that this appearance is applied to this flange coupling. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you have learned something new. Now you can make these type of flanges in SolidWorks, and we can make some chamfer, but because it is not there in the drawing, so I haven't applied any chamfer here. You can apply some chamfer here as well. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, any queries related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.